welcome. Today's video we are back with another collective haul plus a PR haul. So you're gonna hear me say thank you like a bajillion times in this video because I'm always grateful whenever PR does come my way, but huge thank you to you all because without you all these videos would not be possible. So before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things with beauty, skincare, makeup, whatever it may be, and just have a good old time. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so real quick, I'm trying to be good about letting you all know where my top is from and how my hair is purple. So my top is from Shein, and I will have it linked down below for y'all. I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlog. So make sure to check me out over there if you guys are interested in some, you know, fashion hauls. On my eyes, I do have a bunch of Makeup Geek products. I do have the Matrix Neutral Palette, which I do believe is back in stock, and then I do have some of the Fold pigments on. Super easy to use and I absolutely love them. The shades I have on today in my inner part of my lid is the Kaleidoscope shade. It is just like this fun iridescent silvery shade, and then Gargoyle is the other shade that I have like in the center and like 3/4 out. On my eye, or for eyeliner, I do have Espresso and Obsidian on my eyes for liner. Absolutely love them. HOTMESSMOMMAMD. Check out Makeup Geek. You're gonna love this stuff. Okay, so some of this stuff I did purchase, such as this, and I had tried filming this video before and I scratched it, so I don't know how much of this stuff I did talk about before, so if I have, my apologies. But this is the Oily Color Pass set. If you follow me over on Instagram, I did show you all this when it did arrive. This is a quarterly subscription with Oily, so all of these shades plus I think it was like a top coat came for $36. Now when you first sign up with them, there's typically always a coupon floating around, so if I can find the coupon, a lot of the times I think it's like when you just go to the ColorPass site, you'll get a discount off your first subscription. So I do have this on. It's now finally starting to chip. We're on day 6. So this shade is in Kaleidoscope Eyes, and I love the Oily nail polish. I feel like it lasts a long time. I do put the Essie gel top coat on. You don't need a light or anything for it, but I absolutely love it. So anywho, next I wanted to talk about, I always talk about the Good candle. She had sent over the Mother's Day cucumber water candle, and I don't know if it was limited edition, so she did restock it. I don't know if it's sold back out, but this smells absolutely amazing. I did pick this up for my mom and my stepmom. This one was sent to me. It smells so divine. You see, I always have one of her candles. In the background, this one is toasted coconut. I love it. Code HOTMESS does save you 15% over at the Good candle. So that is an affiliate code, so thank you if you do use it. But just remember, you are supporting an amazing small business, woman-owned business, entrepreneur. We love it, so go check her out. But I did place an order for some of the items, which again, I don't know, I probably mentioned this already, but again, I can't remember. So the Mandarin Citron candle, I love this. I think it smells absolutely amazing. I do have the car diffuser, so I did pick up the car diffuser oil. So the nice thing about her car diffusers, they're literally like $9, y'all, and they are so cute, aesthetically pleasing, so like boho chic. And you just hang them in your car, and then once the scent like dissipates, you just add a couple drops of the oil, and then boom, you're good to go again. Little tip, and I have it sitting here because I wanted to remind me to tell you all, I actually will use this on my dryer balls as well. So she has a ton of these different little oils, and you can put them on your dryer ball, you can put them on the car diffuser. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend them. Okay, moving on. This is actually from Slate Glam Box. They set up a new subscription for nails, so thank you for sending this over my way. You can sign up and receive these glue-on nails, which I do like to play around with glue-on nails every so often. I'm not 100% if you pick or if you just sign up and they show up kind of dealio, but the glue is included. There's a file or doohickey in here as well. But I thought these are always fun, you know? I love this set because it has a lot of sparkle. So thank you to Slate Glam Box. This is the Nail It, Slay It subscription. I'll leave information down below if you guys are interested in signing up for that. This next bag is from Wonder Beauty, and they did send over their Do Not Disturb, and I love this stuff. If you are just starting to like dip your toe into anti-aging, I would highly recommend starting off with something like this. It is not too harsh for your skin whatsoever. You just need the pea size amount, and I was so excited because I did get to be a part of this before they had actually launched it, and I got to do like the trial. So I have like the original. I know I'm weird. I should let things like that go, but I got to do, I think it was like a 12-week study or something with Wonder Beauty with this product. So I absolutely love it, and I didn't feel like it was too harsh whatsoever on my skin, and I think you're really gonna love it. So thank you, Wonder Beauty, for restocking me on that. In here they actually, I love these. They did send over some of their Wonder Beauty baggage claim. I love their little eye patches. These things are amazing. And then a little silk type of hair tie, which I love these. I love. This is all the kind of stuff that I put in my hair now at all. Like anytime I put my hair up. So thank you, Wonder Beauty, for sending that over. This I actually did purchase because these are amazing. If you love candy as much as your girl loves candy, you need to check out Built Bar. Oh my gosh, I know I sound like a broken record. I keep a bar on my table at all times. It's just, I'm a snacky kind of person. I'm a grazer. I need food, I want it fast type of person. Give it to me now. These are amazing. They're perfect for on the go. My kids like them. My husband loves them. So this one is Coconut Brownie Chunk. I don't think this one is available right now, but they have a bunch of other flavors that are so amazing. I do use my own coupon code when I purchase these. It's just Hot Mess, and it'll save you like 10% at checkout. But yes. I keep this all the time in my house. So I picked up two on top of the one that's almost already gone. Next we have a package from Hello, I'm Yours, and this is a skincare line. I am kind of new to it. It was one of those ones where they had me take a quiz, and it was based off my skin concerns, my needs, and they came up with a daytime and nighttime routine. So they did send this over for me to try out. And let's see here. Oh my gosh. Okay. So a bunch of skincare items. I'm so excited about this to try out. We've got the, what is it? Are they marked? They have a day serum in here, a day moisturizer. Everything is labeled. Like, how nice is that? This one is a night serum, and we've got a night cream. And this one is I Love You. So an eye cream. So how nice is that? And it tells you everything that is in all of the products. Thank you to I'm Yours for sending this over. I can't wait to play around with it or try it out, everything out. Y'all know how much I love skincare. Moving on, IT Cosmetics did send me a little cute bag, and I'm like, I was so excited. I was like, wait, what? Which, by the way, I actually have on my little IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I mean, yes, I know Hailey put some of the, like, false lashes on. Like, what is this called? I forget. But anyhow, I want more of them because I really like a lash. So, of course, I got my Blink Black Primer on, and then I have my Superhero by IT Cosmetics mascara on top. It's just such a good mascara. So in here we've got the Bye Bye Makeup 3-in-1 Makeup Melting Cleanser Balm. I'm all about double cleansing, so thank you. And then they sent over a full-size Superhero mascara, which I already know I love because I've been using this one. I think it was in a Ipsy or something that I had received. So thank you to IT Cosmetics. That just You just made my day. So I've got this big package here. This is from Wonder Beauty, and they sent over, okay, so this I had to take from my son because he saw it and he's like, oh, that's soft, and he took it. So they did send over this cute, like, it's not a hoodie, what is that called? A sweatshirt, and it says Be Bright. And then they did send over their new, this is a vitamin C concentrate. So I'm excited to try that out. Y'all know I love skincare, and vitamin C, uber important. Find a vitamin C serum that works for you. So I'm excited to try. It came in like a little bag, droplet, pretty bright, ginger and mushroom. Huh. It's a sparkling beverage. So thank you, Wonder Beauty, for sending this over. And it's little coasters too. How cute is that? You guys are the best. I've got one more thing, and I may have shown this. I know I showed it over on my Instagram, but this is the Skinceuticals Vitamin C, and they did send over another thing of the CE Ferulic. I use this every morning. Now, I know that Skinceuticals is a very pricey, expensive skincare line. However, they're pretty awesome. They're pretty nice. Their vitamin C serum was like the first vitamin C serum out there that did not clog my pores, did not irritate my skin, did not dull my skin. It literally did what it was supposed to do. So they did restock me with the CE Ferulic, and you only need this once a day. Some people I notice will try and use their vitamin C serums twice a day. That is pointless. You are wasting your money, and what you pay for this serum right here from Skinceuticals, you do not need to be wasting it. This will last me, I kid you not, I can make it last for a good like 3.5 months. So when you think about it like that, it's literally not as bad as like the first, like your first thought of the price of it. I'm not getting my words out right, but literally I can make this bottle last me a good 3.5 months. They did also send over the FLORENCE for real. Okay, I'm just gonna show you all because God forbid I be able to pronunciate something. And then they sent over their news. This is the Silymarin CF. This has salicylic acid in here, so if you have acne issues, this is going to be really good for you, which I am curious about trying this one because I do have mass like T-zone congestion with like, so I am very, very curious about this one. So thank you so much to Skinceuticals for sending this over my way. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Stocking your girl up on her vitamin C. Thank you to all of the brands that sent me things over here. I will have everything linked and listed down below if you guys are interested in picking or checking any of the things out that I did talk about. Again, my makeup will be linked and listed as well as my top. And thank you again to you all, because without you all, companies wouldn't notice me. And those of you who have reached out to the companies to send them my way to my channel, thank you so, so much. That really, truly does mean the world to me, and your kindness doesn't go unnoticed. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.